to Robyn and Creative, where I teach you how to make the most of your creative supplies and software. I'm Robyn, and I've been working in the field of creative education for the past 3 decades. I am thrilled to have you here for my channel launch. I've always been passionate about all things creative. This channel is all about removing the inhibitions that keep us from using our God-given creativity and getting those unused supplies, tools, and software out of their original packaging. If you love making things and learning about new techniques and products, this channel is perfect for you. I'll be covering vinyl cutting, sewing, machine embroidery, paper crafting, and so much more, including project tutorials. I'm a little new to this and I'm still struggling with technology, so the first video will be posted soon. After that, I'll be posting a new video every week, so stay tuned for my very first video, The Beginner's Guide to the Sizzix Big Shot. Beyond that, I will have separate series for the Cricut Maker and Silhouette Cameo 4, as well as their design platforms, Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio. Starting this channel has been a year in the making, from my first conversation with my daughter about the YouTube potential, to researching the how-tos of the platform, and binge watching YouTube creators in the cruise niche in preparation for my first cruise. If you are interested in this genre of content, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a channel update. If you have any content suggestions, please leave a comment below letting me know what you would most like to learn. You can also follow the channel on Facebook for even more content, behind-the-scenes updates, and giveaway notifications. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. I'm genuinely excited to share my passion with all of you. Remember, this channel is all about inspiring creativity by removing the inhibitions that keep your tools and supplies unopened and unused. I can't wait to see you in the upcoming videos. Now, let your creativity be the channel for expressing yourself the best way you can, and go create what's possible.